Welcome to schoolexcel.tech. To create subject and class schedule effectively, log on to your school account first. Go to the academic menu. Click Class and Section, then select Assign Class Teacher. Choose all relevant data and click on Save button. Select Subject, create a subject, and save it. Then select Class Assign option. Click on Assign and choose all relevant data and click on Save button. Next, select Teacher Assign option. Choose all relevant data and click on Save button. Go to the academic menu. Select Class Schedule. Click on Add Schedule. Select Class Section and Day. Add all information and click on Save button. Thank you. If you have any questions or concerns regarding school ERP, please call 937-03102, 36 or 869892 22922, or drop a message in the group.